Is the First Berserker Khazan blurry or stuttering on your PC? Here's the fastest fix in under 30 seconds. If your game looks blurry, go to Graphics Settings and turn Motion Blur off. This instantly makes the image much clearer. If you're experiencing stuttering, use Rivatuner Statistics Server with MSI Afterburner to lock your FPS. A stable frame rate can significantly improve frame pacing and reduce stutter. Try these two quick fixes and let me know if they worked for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more PC gaming fixes.